So this is a short video of step 0, literally. If you remember, the mileage on the car was about 20 kilometers less than right now. They replaced the window and they did the rust repair. And they asked me to get the clips and to install the moldings on both sides. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 per side. For the window itself, this is what the window looks like. And that's the camera installed. I'm gonna clean up before I put everything back. So, got the screws in. There's one there. And another one. Probably see from, well, it's not really easy to see, but it's on the other side of this. And what I did is I used thread locker, the blue one. I put it on the bolts and I installed them, and there is no adjustment. It seems to fit one way because there is a notch on the side there. See that? It seems to sit only one way. Well, this is, as I said, step 0. And now we're going to take care of this. I have a replacement, the same part number. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. Maybe it needs some programming. This one, a little rusty, but right now, knowing that it should not leak anymore because the windshield is sealed properly and the rust is repaired, then I'm going to try installing this and see how far I get. Also, there was an alternator that I got. It's the 180 amp. It's in really good shape. Spark plugs, and I got a reservoir because mine is broken. It just doesn't clip anymore. So, what I did is I sealed this. I'm gonna follow Volvo Sweden recommendation to put in a weather stripping here. So Volvo Sweden is a channel on YouTube and a lot of very, very good information about the vehicle. So thank you for all the videos. I sealed this because it was dripping from here. So I sealed both. I'm just letting it, well, it's been more than 24 hours, so it should be dry now. Now I'm going to put the weather stripping, and then I'm going to test for water infiltration. If there is any, then I'll have to deal with it. Okay. A lot of little things, but they're moving along. Also, yesterday I got in the brakes. The brake pads are new. The brakes are Hella Pagged brand. Both the front have been replaced. I did the work myself and I inspected inside as well. I also noticed, since I'm going to be installing the headlights, the active bending lights, or the xenons, on the rear right, I had a flat tire on last week. And no, it was the opposite side. Yeah, it was this one. And while they were patching it, I noticed that there is a, it's really hard to see from here, but there is a plug. Maybe. I don't know if it can be seen from here, but there is a plug for the rear passenger side level sensor. Yeah, I can see it, but I don't know if it can be shown. The plug is, I'm pointing right at it. This is it. And you can see it right through there. So the level sensor is not there, but the plug and the wiring is there. Rear passenger side. So I'm waiting to get the level sensors. I already got the xenons, or the directional active bending lights. The shifter is going to be replaced as well. We'll take it one step at a time. I removed that because the logo was completely worn out. I got a replacement here. So I also have the replacement for the front grille. Okay, well, we'll just keep going. This was just a short video to show you the progress so far. Very slow, but it's moving. All right. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. This has been Sinan from Car Inspected.